Hey everybody, it's Cindy from Family Health and Nutrition. I just got back from my weekly trip to Kroger. I am really focusing on trying to be more plant-based in our family. Not to say that we won't occasionally have meat, salmon, chicken mostly, but occasionally a hamburger around here is going to be okay. But in order to do the more plant-based, I really focused on trying to get lots of fruits and vegetables this week. I got my kale that I'm going to be making my shakes out of this week, and also I'm going to be using the organic silken tofu with that in to add a little protein to our shakes. Got lots of vegetables, lots of fruit, whole grain pastas, bananas. I got some canned beans. I got some spaghetti sauce and some Annie's dressing that's on sale this week. I also got my daughter the Fruitables, Apple and Eve Fruitables for her lunches this week. Now, this is not everything I bought, but it's a good portion of it. I spent about $100. I have plenty here to make a stir fry with the other tofu I bought. I have plenty here to make spaghetti. I bought some pitas to make some veggie pitas for lunches this week. I also bought some fruit spread to put on my daughter's sandwiches with her peanut butter for her lunches this week. So I'm really focusing on trying to do a more plant-based diet. Not to say vegan 100%, but more plant-based period. So I really encourage all of you to do this as well. It's not more expensive because you're not buying the costly meats. So it actually saved me about $15 this week on my grocery bill. I encourage you to do the same.